Did you know that about 96% of IT managers and decision makers globally experienced at least one IT outage in the past 3 years? The longer downtime lasts, the more damaging it becomes. And for less prepared businesses, it can take days or even weeks to recover. Backups are meant to protect organizational data, and they often do. Unfortunately, cyber hackers are fully aware of the increased reliance on backups, and in response, they've developed attacks that are intended to infiltrate backup systems. Partner with EAG's team of IT experts to deploy a robust IT disaster recovery plan that is continually tested and updated based on real-world incidents, emerging threats, and changes in the IT environment. Contact us today for a free consultation